Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create art with PenUP on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So your Samsung S25 Ultra has a PenUP app, which is a Samsung drawing and coloring app. So it's optimized for your S Pen. So you can free draw, trace, color pre-made sketches, or participate in community challenges. So this is great for those artists who have a Samsung S25 Ultra. So let me show you how to use this S Pen and the PenUP app. So on the Play Store, you want to go ahead and search for the following app called PenUP. This should be already installed on your phone. If you don't, you can go ahead and install it from the Play Store. Then go ahead and open it. Go ahead and press continue, press allow. Go ahead and sign in with your Samsung account. And now once you do this, you can go ahead and do all these activities. So you can do a drawing. You can even do some coloring. So say for example, start coloring. So you can go ahead and choose all the different colors. You can look at some communities where people are posting their coloring work. So this provides a creative outlet directly on your phone. It's great for stress relief, practicing art, or just for having fun. No additional app is needed here. So there you go guys. That is how to create art with PenUP on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.